how to make a rolling tray set and take your rolling trays and create a successful handmade business, well, you've come to the right place. So I make these dope rolling tray sets that go viral on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. These rolling tray sets are a hot commodity, y'all, and people love buying them. I make sales like this in one day because people love my one-of-a-kind rolling tray sets. So guess what I decided? I decided I was going to create this beautiful membership where you get to come and learn every single thing from me and teach you how to make these exact rolling tray sets for yourself so you can create a successful rolling tray set business as well, right? Because there's room for all of us to be able to sell and make these beautiful rolling tray sets as well. So if you are interested and you want to learn how to bring in your customers like this, then come and join your girls membership. I offer 2-tier memberships, just so you know. Tier 1 offers tutorials only. And then tier 2 goes into actually running a business and staying consistent with your business. So if you want to learn how to make these dope rolling tray sets, come and join your girls membership.